I'm KJ from Garden Advice, and here is a handy tip for you. Another good thing to do with citrus is called disbudding. So as you can see, all the flowers have actually set fruit. Now, citrus always set more fruit than they could ever grow. So, and the thing with that is that every little fruit that's set, the plant puts energy into that until it drops off because, well, the plant can't sustain it. So it is essentially wasted energy. So especially for a tree this size, this is just a little mandarin miho, just a little young one, is that we want all the energy to be going into the roots and into the leaves to be growing a stronger plant rather than fruit, which at this stage would just probably bend the tree over. So what we literally have to do is pick them off. There we go. It is as simple as that. It smells amazing because citrus flowers always do. It's really important when you do things like this that you do it on a dry day, because anytime you do work on your plants, you need the little scars that are left to dry and to seal. And if you do it on a wet day or an overcast day, the chances of like an airborne disease or pest getting in are so much higher. So just a good rule of thumb, whenever you're doing something that involves cutting or pruning or breaking something off your plant, do it on a sunny, warm day, and that is definitely today. So as you can see, that's quite a little haul of mandarins that I've removed. So all the energy that was going to go into that is now going to go into the plant and into the roots, which is fantastic. And just a quick other little tip, just with any plant you buy from a garden centre, this tie that you find on here, this doesn't stretch, okay? And so I've actually seen rowan trees and it's actually cut into the bark and it's actually killed the tree. So it's really important that you take that off and you replace it with some soft stretchy tie. So that's definitely on my to-do list.